everybody, it's Patricia and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to unbox my Huda mystery bag. She had two sizes of bags she put on sale. She had the small one for $49 and the large one for $89. I think the large one, the value was $206, and I don't remember the value of the small one. It was $100 something. I went for the big one, and this was an impulse buy, if there has ever been an impulse buy. Got the email from Huda Beauty saying she had the mystery bags, and I know she has never done this before. I went ahead and went for the big one, and I was hoping I would get something like that lotion for your legs. It's Nymph, not your mother's pantyhose. I was wanting one of those. I was wanting maybe some highlighters, some things I don't have of Huda. All I own of Huda, I have the foundation, I have all her large palettes, and a whole bunch of her small palettes. And then I started watching people's videos who had already received these bags. They got them quicker than I did. Mine just came in just a few minutes ago. I went and slapped some makeup on, ignore my hair. I wasn't planning on filming today. But I've watched other people's videos. The small bags came with a highlighter palette, but I noticed it's like really dark, these really bright shades. I don't think it's just highlighter, maybe highlighter and blush, but man, probably things I wouldn't wear, colors I wouldn't wear in the palette. And then the large boxes seem to either come with the rose gold palette, but the rose gold remastered. This is the original rose gold, or it came with the desert dust palette. It also comes with small palettes. From what I've seen, I have no idea what's in mine, but I see other people got the red, the ruby obsessions, the emerald obsessions, the amethyst obsessions. I have all of those, so if we come to that, also I've seen the lipsticks, and two of the lipsticks I've seen are Sheikha, which I have on, and I also have Provocateur. So I went ahead and brought the things I knew I had in here, just so, because if I received any of those things in here, I'm not going to swatch them. So I will deal with that later. So anyway, here's my box. All I did was cut the box open. Okay, looks like I'll show you. This is what I see. You see, I haven't looked in there at all. I'm not looking at the paperwork. Huda Beauty Mystery Bundle. And there is a 15% off your next order. Good until June 15th. Alright, now here's the paper. The pink paper. And then here's how the bag comes out. It's a nice canvas bag. Here it is, and it's full of goodies. I can feel it. I can feel it full of goodies. Let's get in here. I'll carry this tote. Alright. Okay. Some people got cute bags with a little heart-shaped bubble wrap and a little Ziploc bag. I did not. I didn't get that. I just got regular bubble wrap. I don't know. Am I going to need scissors to get in this? I feel a little cheated. I didn't get that Ziploc bag. Oh, okay. Here we go. Alright, I don't want to look at that. Look at this first. I got the Huda Beauty Matte Perfection Pre-Makeup Base. So it's a primer. This is something I did not have. So I am glad about that. I'm not going to bother to put price. Oh, look at that tip. Can you see that tip of that? I'm not going to look up prices. It's a see, when I push it up, it's a white, kind of milky, lightweight. It's like a really lightweight gel. An extremely light scent. Just a little bit of a scent, but not what I would call scented at all. It's not bad at all. So, okay, I'm happy with that. Next, I got a sample I've been wanting to try this. This is the Wishful Glow. Can you guys see that? Is it, my light's too bright now? Yeah. So I'll throw that in our samples that are, they live right here. Next, okay. Palettes. I got 2 small palettes. I got the Emerald Obsession. So you guys know I already have this palette. I'm going to save this and put it in a giveaway at a later date. I'm not going to do it right now. I'll collect some items and do another big giveaway. So yeah, that's going to be at a later date. And then I don't have this one. I'm so happy I got something I don't have. So I got the Topaz Obsession. I was hoping to get the Topaz one. I had not seen anybody with the blue one, but I would have liked the blue one as well. So, oh, that is so pretty. That's a nice fall looking palette. That's very pretty. I like that. I'm very pleased that I got something I didn't already have. I know I got the green one, but that's what happens when you buy a lot of these Huda products. You know, in the future, I might not do a mystery bag, and if I don't, she'll have things I don't have in it. Okay, what do we got lipstick-wise? What is this one? Sheikha. Okay, Sheikha is what I'm wearing, and I'll swatch it for you. That's Sheikha. That will also go in a future giveaway. And then I got Passionista. I don't have this one. Oh, this is pretty. This looks like it's right up my alley. Passionista. Let's swatch it. Oh, yes, yes, yes. Look at that. That's me. Yeah, no smell. And then my big palette. What'd I get? Good. I got the Rose Gold Remastered. So, let me open this up. Now, let me see. Let me get it out first. This is just the box. Okay. This is what the original looks like. Let me slide it. The original is just like that. This is the remastered. So I'm going to open them up. They are different. They have, wow, I didn't realize how different they are. I am actually going to film these 2 palettes side by side, not hold it up for you, but I will film them separately and insert it. So you're probably looking at that right now. Wow. Let's see. There's Flamingo in one, and the color is called Doll Face in the other. Let me swatch. And they're laid out different. There's Flamingo. That's in the original. That's Flamingo. And then Doll Face is over here. Oh, it's much creamier. I can tell a difference. Let's swatch them right here. Whoa, yeah. Which one is this? Is this one? Yeah. The Flamingo is not performing. Oh, you can tell a big difference. There's a big difference between those 2. Let's see, what else have we got? Let's see. Black Truffle's the same, Suede, Cocoa, Maneater, Henna, Sandalwood. The bottom row is the same. The next row, we have Risque. I want to get this all over me. Wipes. Risque is not in the original palette. It is in the remastered palette. Okay, there's Demure and then there's Shy. Shy is in the original. Again, it feels kind of grainy. That's Shy. And yeah, these are much creamier, feel much better. And they have a little bit of a difference. Let's see how they swatch. there's a little bit of a difference to them. One's a little pinker than the other. Alright, the original palette has a very light shade called Bay, and it is not in the new palette. Moon Dust is in. The new palette has a color called Bubbly that's not in the original. See, Dubai Fling, Trust Fund, Rose Gold, Pink Diamond is new. Okay, Pink Diamond is a new shade in the new one. In the old one, there's a color called Fling. So this is Fling. That is pretty. And Pink Diamond is nothing like it. They are two totally opposite colors. So, wow. I'm really going to have to go through these. I might do an entire video on it if you guys want me to, on the differences between the original and the remake. So, let's see. You can see the top is the remastered, the bottom is the original. Let me hold them back a little bit so you can see. I'll get behind them. You can see there are differences. There's placement differences. There's shades in one that are not in the other. So yeah, I am extremely pleased to receive the remastered one, since it is so. I thought they were the same, just I just thought the formulation was better, and from swatching I can tell the formulation is better, but I didn't realize that some shades had changed from each palette. So wow, well, I'm glad I got that. So all in all, I'm happy. I'm happy with what I got. I got only 2 repeats then, and that's okay. A palette and a lip color, and like I said, I'll be giving that away soon. I'll get some other things together and do a giveaway for you guys. Wow, I'm very pleased. I'm very happy. I'm glad I purchased this. Bundle. Okay, so that's everything I got in my mystery bag. All in all, I am glad I did it. I got basically 2 new palettes, so I'm very happy about that. Like I said, the green, which I already have, and this lip, which I already own, I will put in a giveaway. And we have a sample for Sample Stash Monday, and I have a primer, a lipstick, and 2 palettes that I didn't already own. So guys, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, I would love it if you would subscribe. Questions or comments, leave them down below, and I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.